Students, today I would talk about business performance management. Business performance management can be defined as different business tools, techniques and methodologies and metrics employed by organization to measure, monitor and manage the performance of the business enterprise. So this is the book definition of business performance management. Now coming to the other definition that is given by Dr. T.V. Rao. He says that the performance management involves thinking through various facts of performance, identity critical dimensions performance, planning, reviewing, developing and enhancing performance and related competencies. There is one other definition which says that the performance management may be defined as a managerial process which consists of planning performance, managing performance through observation and feedback, appraising performance and rewarding performance. So in simple words, we have there are so many definitions, and one more definition is a continuous process of identifying and measuring and developing the performance level of individual and aligning it with the strategic goals of the organization. So these are the different book definitions, and now coming to the features and components of business process management. So the business process management is also called as corporate performance management, enterprise performance management, strategic performance management. The corporate performance management is a term used to describe the various processes and methodologies involved in aligning an organization's strategic and goals to its plans and execution in order to control the success of the company. Corporate performance management is a subset of business intelligence that involves monitoring and managing an organization's performance according to the key performance indicators such as revenue, return on investment, overhead and operational cost. However, it is important to recognize that corporate performance management is not a specific strategy. In order to make corporate performance management more useful, organizations must create a suite of analytical applications that can support the process, that can support the methods and metrics used in the corporate performance management. And business process management uses wide range of tools and techniques and metrics to access the actual performance of the business organization. Business process management links management and analytical processes. Business process management components include tools and techniques for financial and operational planning. So now let's go into each of these topics one by one and let us understand what this is all about. So what exactly do we mean by business performance management, or say corporate performance management? Each and every organization has a goal. For example, a company that is manufacturing bikes, say this company is manufacturing high-end bikes and they have to produce like 1,000 bikes per year. So in order to measure whether they are on track or behind track, there are so many tools and techniques that are used to measure the process. I mean, whether the employees are working properly, whether the finances, whether this project is running as per financial planning and operational planning. So how do they do that? So they run a report every week or every day, or based on the policy decided by the company. They try to find out whether the company is exactly running as per the original plan, whether the strategies are being followed or not. So all these things are up, and these are like various features and components of business process management. So what happens? So I was talking about this example. I had given an example of, say, a company had a target of producing 1,000 bikes. So every month, how many bikes? Say approximately they have to produce, say more than 100 bikes, around 100 bikes, between 90 and 100. So what do? They check whether they are able to produce it on time or not, and then they'll further segregate it and check whether the employees are performing as per their ability, or as per their whatever they have been given the task. Are they performing the task? Then they have to check each and every machinery whether it's performing its functions or not. So and finally they measure whether the strategic goal is being met or not. Okay. So this is about business process management. I would explain about it in the next lecture as we go further. So this is just a brief introduction to the topic. There are so many subtopics which are in the next classes. In the next classes I would explain all these topics to you. Thank you.